2019 XMASS decorations in the Garden and Midvalley Megamall, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Fantastic, so nice. Lot of Christmas trees here. It's very attracting. Lot of things to see here in the Garden Mall. After this I just going to the Midvalley. It's very close Midvalley, and the garden is very close. They are almost together. Now it is the entrance. It's the entrance to the I am going to now the Midvalley Megamall. So nice water fountain. It's in front of this is between Midvalley and the Gardens Mall. Midvalley Megamall. So let's go inside and check it out what they have there. Decorations for this 2019 Christmas. Wow, there is a small car. I think it's the gift. Who is the lucky person? Okay, so nice. Pretty so crowded here. They got a lot of gift shops for the Christmas. So beautiful. The Midvalley and the garden have the beautiful and awesome and biggest arrangements for 2019 Christmas. So hope you all like the video about the garden and Midvalley Megamall Christmas decorations in 2019 in Kuala Lumpur. Anyway, see you in next video.